Right, today it is 11/4/2020. I just bypassed the air compressor on this 2005 Crown bait. If you can see right there, it's no longer there. Why? Because the AC compressor stopped working, so I decided to just bypass it and go with the shortened bell right there. You know, I just kind of, this piece right here used to be right there, so I kind of switched it over and I had to buy a new one, because the one that had was here before, which was same as that one, it was not good either, so I got to buy a new one for it. And then it worked out pretty good after that. I get rid of that noise because it was making a lot of noise. It was annoying. Now it's okay, I guess, ready to go. Let me give it a try, see how it's gonna work. Alright, looks alright. Well, looking pretty good now. No more noise. I get rid of that noise. It was annoying. You guys can be alright without it. Thanks for watching.